Hello friends, welcome back to Upgrading Way. I am Roma. In today's video you will find some important budget analyst interview questions along with sample answers for freshers. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Hello sir, I am Roma.
Hello Roma, please have a seat.
Thank you sir.
Can you explain what budget analysis is and why it's important?
Budget analysis involves evaluating financial data to determine the efficiency, effectiveness, and compliance of budgetary processes. It's crucial because it helps organizations make informed financial decisions, allocate resources effectively, and achieve their financial goals.
What experience or skills do you have that make you a good fit for this role?
During my academic studies, I gained a solid understanding of financial principles and budgeting techniques. Additionally, I completed internships where I analyzed budgets, prepared financial reports, and assisted in budget planning processes. I also have strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and proficiency in financial software.
How do you ensure accuracy when working with large datasets and financial information?
I prioritize attention to detail and double-check my work to ensure accuracy. I also utilize software tools like Excel to organize and analyze data, and I'm familiar with various techniques such as pivot tables and data validation to minimize errors.
How do you handle conflicting priorities when managing multiple budget requests?
I prioritize tasks based on their urgency and impact on organizational goals. I communicate effectively with stakeholders to understand their needs and negotiate compromises when necessary. Additionally, I rely on my time management skills to allocate sufficient time to each task.
Can you give an example of a time when you identified cost-saving opportunities in a budget?
In my previous role, I noticed a recurring expense in our budget for a service that was underutilized. After conducting research and analysis, I proposed alternative solutions that offered similar benefits at a lower cost. This resulted in significant savings for the organization without compromising quality.
How do you prioritize competing budgetary demands?
I prioritize competing budgetary demands by evaluating each request against organizational goals and objectives. I consider factors such as urgency, potential impact on operations, and alignment with strategic priorities. Additionally, I collaborate with stakeholders to ensure transparency and buy-in for the final budget allocations.
Can you walk me through your experience with budget analysis?
I have 4 years of experience in budget analysis, where I've managed budgets for various departments within my previous organization. This includes forecasting, tracking expenditures, identifying cost-saving opportunities, and preparing comprehensive reports for management.
How do you handle discrepancies between budget projections and actual spending?
When discrepancies arise between budget projections and actual spending, I first conduct a thorough analysis to identify the root causes. This may involve reviewing transactions, consulting with relevant stakeholders, and examining any changes in circumstances. Once the cause is determined, I develop strategies to address the discrepancies, which may include adjusting future forecasts, reallocating funds, or implementing cost-saving measures.
Can you discuss a time when you successfully identified cost-saving opportunities? Tarankan sample answer.
In my previous role, I conducted a detailed review of departmental expenses and identified a significant opportunity to streamline procurement processes. By negotiating bulk discounts with suppliers and implementing stricter inventory controls, we were able to achieve a 15% reduction in procurement costs without compromising quality or service levels.
How do you ensure compliance with budgetary policies and regulations?
I ensure compliance with budgetary policies and regulations by staying up to date with relevant laws and guidelines. I also establish clear procedures for budget management and regularly communicate expectations to stakeholders. Additionally, I conduct periodic audits to verify adherence to budgetary controls and address any compliance issues proactively.
Can you describe your experience with financial forecasting and modeling?
I have extensive experience with financial forecasting and modeling, where I utilize historical data, market trends, and other relevant factors to predict future financial performance. I am proficient in using spreadsheet software and financial modeling tools to create accurate forecasts that inform budgetary decision making.
How do you communicate budgetary information to non-financial stakeholders?
I tailor my communication of budgetary information to non-financial stakeholders by using clear and concise language, avoiding jargon, and providing relevant context. I also use visual aids such as charts and graphs to present complex data in an easily understandable format. Additionally, I encourage open dialogue and address any questions or concerns to ensure stakeholders have a comprehensive understanding of the budgetary process. Remember to personalize your answers based on your own experiences and expertise. I hope you like the video. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye, take care. Thanks for watching.